What is happening with Iran, Trump, and Gulf drone attacks? 2026. What is happening with Iran, Trump, and the drone attacks in Saudi Arabia and UAE? Tensions are escalating fast in the Middle East, and you need to know why this could impact global security and energy markets today. In a recent statement, Donald Trump increased pressure on Iran by threatening Tehran directly. This move comes as the Middle East experiences a surge in violence and geopolitical friction. The heightened rhetoric signals a potential shift towards more aggressive policies against Iran, intensifying the already fragile situation. This escalation raises concerns over possible military responses and the risk of wider regional instability. Both Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates have recently confirmed drone attacks on their soil. These attacks represent a dangerous escalation in the ongoing regional tensions. The use of drones signals a new level of asymmetric warfare that could destabilize the Gulf further. The attacks have raised alarm bells about the security of critical infrastructure and energy supplies in these key oil-producing countries. The escalating conflict between Iran and Gulf states, combined with threats from the U.S., has major implications beyond the region. Saudi Arabia and the UAE are vital oil exporters, so any disruption from drone attacks could impact global energy prices. Moreover, increased tensions strain diplomatic relations worldwide, with many nations watching closely to avoid a larger war. This situation demands urgent attention to prevent further escalation. Analysts warn that if hostile actions and rhetoric continue unchecked, the Middle East risks sliding into a broader conflict. The involvement of external powers, including the U.S. under Trump's influence, complicates peace efforts. Regional actors may respond with further attacks or military maneuvers, increasing the risk of a full-scale war. Monitoring developments now is crucial as the situation remains highly volatile and unpredictable. What this means for you is immediate and concrete. If conflict escalates, expect to see higher gasoline and energy prices worldwide due to potential supply disruptions. Governments may increase security measures affecting travel and trade. Staying informed helps you prepare for economic or safety impacts. Understanding these developments puts you ahead of the curve in a rapidly changing global landscape. The situation unfolding between Iran, the U.S., Saudi Arabia, and the UAE is a key story with global consequences. For you, this could mean higher energy costs and tighter security worldwide. Stay alert and informed as this crisis develops. Subscribe to Daily Q&A for real-time updates and expert insights on this urgent topic.